In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. A general ledger is the backbone of your accounting records. It shows all your accounts along with the total debits, credits, and balances for a specific period. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step on how to generate that ledger report inside Zoho Books so you can quickly review your financial activity. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Books. Log into your Zoho Books account, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your business finances. From the left-hand side or top navigation menu, look for the option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This section contains all the standard and advanced reports that Zoho Books can generate for you. Inside the Reports page, you'll see a search bar or filter area. In that search field, start typing the word Ledger. As you type, Zoho Books will narrow down the list of reports that match your search term. Among the search results, you should see General Ledger. This is the report we need. Click on General Ledger to open the report settings page. Here, you can customize how your ledger will be generated. At the top of this page, you'll find a setting for the date range. Click on the date range field. Choose the period you want the ledger to cover. You can use preset options such as this month, last month, or this year, or you can select a custom range by manually picking a start date and an end date. Be sure the dates reflect the exact period you want to review, because this will determine which transactions are included. Next, look for the Report Basis setting. Click on Report Basis to choose whether the report should be generated on a cash basis or an accrual basis, depending on how your business records revenue and expenses. Select the option that matches your accounting method or the one your accountant has recommended. Once you've set the date range and chosen the report basis, you're ready to generate your ledger. Click on Run Report. Zoho Books will now compile your data and display the general ledger for the period you selected. From here, you can scroll through the accounts, review balances, and if needed, export or print the report using the options available on the page. That's all you need to create a ledger in Zoho Books.